Hey, baby. I love you. Beautiful sunshiny day, like I've mentioned before. And what's amazing is, I walked in the shed. It's empty. Give you a little peek. Not a whole lot going on in there. I was gonna feed the dogs, except I heard something buzzing around. I thought it was a big old bumblebee. It's a hummingbird. I'm gonna try to catch a hummingbird barehanded. And I thought it'd be pretty cool because you love hummingbirds and so do I. So I'm gonna try to hold one in my hand. Let's go see if we can see him. Shut myself in here. It's up here in the skylight. He or she. Hey! Oh. He's been bumping around a little bit. He's a pretty little guy. Green and black. Alright, we'll try to catch him. Use some of the spider webs. Oh, I pet his back and he freaked out. Oh. Okay, buddy. He's getting more comfortable, I think. Starting to chirp. Oh, he let me pet him. Alright, I think we're friends now. Come on, buddy. I'll get you. Alright, he's perched. He was perched on my thumb for a second. He might be too scared to hold my hand. Oh. Oh, I almost had him. I got him. Here we go. We're going outside. Be free, little buddy. There he goes. I just caught a hummingbird barehanded. And he's sitting up in the branches as if to say thank you. That was awesome. Yeah, you see him flapping his wings right in the center? That's so cool. Just caught a hummingbird barehanded. Rescued it. I love you. Bye-bye.